God damn it, Thomas.
What did he do?
Wait, I need him to come closer.
Yeah, it's gone.
I need him to come closer.
My bait is gone.
No, he's so good for it.
Stand back.
I'm gonna get him. In the firing zone, what's that? Bait!
I don't want to like.
You guys need a little bit more crap out there.
Whatever there is! Oh, come on!
You guys distract.
Ready? Look at that.
Hey, wait, he's gonna kill him.
Oh.
Ready, come on! He slipped. Look at this.
God, they're like sharks. I hope so.
I do that.
Holy shit.
Look at that LD. That's amazing.
I'm taking care of the seagull population.
The LD's right there. I don't want to.
If we get in trouble for this, we're only when they call us all in, just like, what are you talking about? I didn't see him throw anything at a seagull.
Yeah, nobody.
I didn't even see any seagulls.
Yeah, no more ratting.
No one wants the signal.
She's recording it.
No more rats.
Why would you record it? Put that away.